Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to hide your number while you are calling on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone dialer. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon from the top side. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to carrier features. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply select a SIM card that you want to use. Then go to additional settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on caller ID. It take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply switch from show number to hide number. It's as simple as that. So by the time you click on here, you see the number is hidden. So basically, this is how to simply hide your number while making call. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.